Okay, here's a parcel of mostly knobby material from Lightning Ridge. You might find a couple of bits of fossil amongst it. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, the rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. Help show the colours a bit more. Some of the pieces don't have a lot of colour, like that big grey piece in the middle there. Pick it up and have a better look in a minute. And there's other pieces with extra bright, nice bright colours like this. This big grey bit, it's probably a bit of fossil by the looks. But no real colour. There's other pieces like this. It's got darker centre, but maybe cut a stone out of the side here, a long stone on that side. Looks like that piece that I just showed you has been an offcut off a bigger stone. Some of these need to be ground around to see if there is a colour bar. Other pieces like this, looks like there's just colour on the corner there. Still a little stone. So not a much bit in that bit. Right, purpley blue. Bit of sand in that piece. And dark base, that blue. This white material won't tumble off, just need to grind it. Sometimes you find surprises underneath. More sort of light crystal. Another little piece of fossil. Little colour bar coming through here, I think, by the looks. Little triangular type stone. Some of this stuff's a gamble. Another offcut. Some pinks and reds coming through here in the middle. You can see the red fire, I think, there. That gives you an idea of what you're looking at. There's a heap of possibilities. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.